We are going to show you how to download and install the HP full-featured software for your HP OfficeJet Pro 9010 series printer. There is no software CD that came in box with our printer, and hence we need to download the software from the hp.com. To begin, start up your browser and go to www.hp.com. Go to Support and select Software and Drivers. Select Printer. Do a search for OfficeJet Pro 9010. At the software and driver result, ensure that it is the correct printer. Then go to Software and download the HP Easy Start apps. Open the apps. If you see a prompt, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select Yes. Let's close the browser. Let's check on this box and continue. It has found our printer. Go to Continue. We will skip the warranty and account activation. HP Easy Start has recommended that we select the full software and drivers. Let's continue. It is now downloading the software. Once the software is downloaded, it will automatically extract and launch. For the software selection, we'll install the recommended software, which is the Iris OCR. Go to Next. For the fax setup wizard, we'll skip. So our setup is complete. The software is installed and our device is connected. So this is how you download and install the HP full-featured software for your HP OfficeJet Pro 9010 series printer.